Freedom begins within. It's not something anyone else can give to you. It's something you must discover and cultivate for yourself. No one is coming to save you, and no one holds the key to your freedom but you. The sooner you release the idea that salvation lies outside of you, the sooner you'll unlock the power that has been within you all along. True freedom comes when you take responsibility for your own growth, healing, and transformation. It's not an easy path. It requires effort, discipline, and a willingness to face yourself, your fears, and the limiting beliefs you've held on to for so long. It's about doing the deep inner work, making the hard choices, and committing to becoming the highest version of yourself. You have to break the cycles that no longer serve you, let go of what's holding you back, and embrace the truth of who you are. Freedom isn't handed to you. It's earned through consistent action, self-reflection, and the courage to ascend beyond your current circumstances. The answers you're seeking, the peace you're longing for, and the life you desire are already within you. You have everything you need to rise, but you must be willing to do the work. Freedom is not found in external validation, systems, or saviors. It's found when you recognize your own power and claim it unapologetically. This is your moment to step into your truth and create the life you've always known you were meant to live. The time is now. Freedom is yours to claim.